to show how to make a creative a bowl, sort of a plate bowl, and this is the shape that I've chosen. So first you have to prepare your clay. Okay, this clay is not so big, right? So I'm going to pound it a little bit to get the size to be bigger. Okay, turn it and see. Yeah, about right, huh? Then we put the die like that. Take the cutting wire and cut. Okay, and I will use a roller to flatten it a little bit more. This is a wooden roller. So I'm going to flatten it, make it longer, make it more round. So I'm going to push to the front, forward. Okay, and then roll it the other way, just to make it a little bit thinner. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is the size I want. Then I'm going to put my mold over it, and I'm just going to have 1 cm border. So I'm going to draw like that, and then cut away the excess. Okay, like that, and then use this tip to cut down. Okay, so now we can take this piece of clay and drape over like that. Then use your hand to press it down. Okay, and you can use your sponge to compress the clay. You can do about 2 to 3 rounds. Okay, 2 rounds with a sponge and then later on with your thumb. Okay, then with your thumb, you see that the particles are compressed together and it's stronger that way, and it will give you a shiny look with the glaze. Okay, next step is you want to flip it over. So just hold it like this with the hand on top of the clay, flip over, and then use your thumb to remove it gently. You get a very nice shape. Okay, in this instance, I'm going to make this into a fish. I have an idea that it's a fish, so I'm going to sort of put it together first, pinch it a little bit up. Okay, and then I'm going to squeeze on the rim just a little bit to compress the clay. Okay, and then I'm going to think about how I'm going to decorate this as a fish. So I'm going to put the eye here, then I'm going to make a tail over there. So take some extra clay, okay, you can roll the add-on parts. Roll the eye. Okay, I'm going to decorate it like that, and then it has triangular fin over here. So first you roll into a ball, take some clay, roll into a ball. Okay, roll between your palm, okay, or you can roll on the ball like that. Okay, once it's kind of round, you can use squash it a little bit flat. Okay, if there's cracks, you can smoothen it. And then I'm going to cut the shape of the fin. I'm going to have it like that. I'm going to draw the shape first, like that. I'm going to have like a cloud shaped fin. Right, so sketch out your shape first. If you don't like this part, you can just use a finger to smoothen it away. Okay, you can redraw until you come up with the shape that you like. Okay, so at this point I'm going to start to cut it. Okay, I'm going to take the needle and cut it like that. And then I have a cloud shaped fin. I can pick it up and make it nice. Yeah, make the edges nice and smooth. Okay, now I'm going to squeeze it down a little bit if you want. I'll put the fin there. Okay, I'm going to flatten it a little bit more. See, when you put pressure on it, it gets thinner. I'm going to curve it up. And if you have time, you can make some more fins. But if you don't have time, you can actually draw the fins. So now I'm going to show you how to stick this down to the body. So what we need to have is slip. Okay, and before we use this, we have to make the surface rough, score it like this. Okay, make many lines, patches, and over here as well. Then pick up the slip, put it on, and pick up and put some here. Then we press down. Same for this side. Okay, you're going to make it rough. Okay, apply the slip. Okay, then press it together. Hold the other side and press. Okay, I'm going to make some more patterns on the fish. I'm going to draw out the fin over here. There's a fin, so I'm going to draw some fins here, and I'm going to draw some here, another one here.
It looks like a mola.
I know. I know we have this boy that loves mola.
Oh.
Okay, so this is a sort of a kind of round, fattish fish, and you can open the eyes like that. You press, okay, and use this part, and you can make some more detail. Maybe you want to put some scales. Okay, I'm going to put some lines here. Okay, that's my fish. Okay, then you're going to flip it over very gently. Write your class, 3A, and your registration number. There. Fish. 10 minutes.